Hi, I'm Noboru from Fukuoka. Today, I'll explain common mistakes foreigners make when buying property in Japan.
Foreigners can legally buy property in Japan, and many investors are interested in cities like Fukuoka. However, some foreign buyers later regret their purchase. Let's look at the most common mistakes. First, underestimating maintenance costs. Condominiums in Japan usually require monthly maintenance fees and repair reserve fees. These costs continue even if the property is vacant. Second, not understanding property taxes. Property owners in Japan must pay annual property tax. There are also taxes when purchasing property, such as acquisition and registration taxes. In addition, non-resident owners may be subject to withholding tax on rental income. Third, assuming property values always increase. In Japan, buildings often depreciate over time. Location and land value are very important. Fourth, difficulty managing property from overseas. Handling tenants, repairs, and emergencies requires reliable local support. Without proper management, problems can become stressful. Finally, buying without local professional advice. Property condition, location, and rental demand vary significantly. Working with a trusted local professional can help avoid costly mistakes. Overall, understanding these risks is essential before buying property in Japan.
If you are interested in buying property in Fukuoka and want to avoid these risks, feel free to contact me.